Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are well and good by the grace of Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. Today I will discuss with you about complete the sentence with suitable clause or phrase. This topic in this topic is in intermediate and 9-10 also. So let's go to discuss. So today I would like to share with you about first rules, that is since. Since plus time plus simple present is equal to past indefinite. In Dhaka Board 2023, Dhaka Board 2023, uh, there is a competing sentence. Sin number C, it is long time since. So it is. This is by the indefinite. Long time. This is time and since. So we can write past indefinite. I saw him. Have you understood? Yes.